Ache for, meaning to strongly wish for something, to deeply miss or desire someone or something. I ache for a break after this long week. I ache for home whenever I travel. Act up, meaning to behave badly or not work properly. Stop acting up and do your homework. My laptop is acting up again. Angle for, meaning to try to get something in a clever or indirect way. He's angling for a promotion at work. She kept angling for compliments about her dress. Argue out, meaning to discuss something completely to reach a decision. Let's argue it out before we choose a plan. They argued out the problem and found a solution. Bag out, meaning to criticize someone harshly or mock them. Don't bag out your friends, it's rude. They always bag out the teacher behind his back. Bitch up, meaning to complain too much or mess something up. Stop bitching up everything, just relax. Don't bitch up the project, do it properly this time. Bang on, about, meaning to talk too much about something in an annoying way. He kept banging on about his new car. Stop banging on, please, we understand your point. Allow of, meaning to make something possible, to permit something to happen. The rules don't allow of any exceptions. My schedule doesn't allow of a long holiday. Ask after, meaning to ask about someone's health or well-being. She always asks after you when we meet. He called to ask after my mother. Ask in, meaning to invite someone inside your home or room. She asked me in for a cup of tea. It's cold outside, ask him in. Ask out, meaning to invite someone on a date. He finally asked her out last night. She asked me out for dinner this weekend. Beef up, meaning to strengthen or improve something. They beefed up security at the airport. I need to beef up my CV before applying. Big up. Meaning, to praise someone, to talk about someone in an impressive way. He always bigs up his achievements. She biggied up her team during the meeting. Bliss out. Meaning, to relax completely and feel very happy. I just want to bliss out on the beach. She blisses out when she listens to soft music. Bog off. Meaning, to go away, leave someone alone. Bog off. I need some quiet time. Bog off. I'm not in the mood right now. Bottle up. Meaning, to hide or control your emotions instead of expressing them. Don't bottle up your feelings. Talk to me. She bottled up her anger and didn't say anything. Brace up. Meaning, to prepare yourself for something difficult. Brace up. We have a tough day ahead. Brace up. We need to face this challenge together. Creep over. Meaning, when a feeling slowly begins to affect you. A sense of fear crept over him in the dark. Nervousness crept over me before the interview. Cry out. Meaning, to shout loudly because of pain, fear, or strong emotion. She cried out when she saw the accident. He cried out in pain after falling.